On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
So the golf cart needed a little bit of loving to get going because the fuel evaporated out of the carburetor. But now that's running good. The Hammerhead, same thing, but it's still not running good, so there's crap in the carburetor.
I never did get to ride either of those, actually.
Now let's see how fuel injection works.
Fuel light's blinking on that one.
I better check that, huh? Probably quarter of a tank.
I guess we can take a nice stroll to the gas station.
So you can lead if you want.
You have a preference for fuel?
Not really. Yeah, these aren't good sand tires.
Yeah, I felt it.
I'm on the RPS 250 Cruiser. Chewy rides on the RPS 300 Cruiser. Tag sale. That's about how much more power that has. Pull in a little bit. Not too bad, right?
Yeah, pretty good. They managed to make it sound pretty throaty still.
Yeah. 6-speed too, so you got enough gears, you know.
Ah, $7, huh?
Yeah, mine was $10.58.
Wouldn't want to be you.
I know.
Does it take a minute? Because it still says it's empty.
Yeah, I think it does take a little bit.
This temperature gauge is like 4 out of 5. Is that normal?
Yeah.
All right.
The fan will kick on when it gets up to...
All right.
What a shitbox.
RPS Cruiser.
something almost like that. It's very, very faint. Figured it was worth looking.
I think when I put that front sprocket on, it was super tight against the case part, so maybe it's hitting every once in a while just a little bit.
It was just tight when it came that way?
No, I put a bigger front sprocket.
Oh.
It was tight against the case. I threaded through and it was just barely not touching, so maybe that's just, you can hear it a little.
We'll switch. I think I like the matte styling better. They ride nice.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
Look it. Ah, I like it.
Yeah. That's convenient.
Carry all dog. But it cleaned up in here even more. Wow. Cleaned up in here pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Some old foundation there.
Yeah. Well, it was an old fish thing, but on the other side, that fish hatchery.
Oh, I did see that, yeah. You see the artwork?
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Is that one of Elon Musk's rocket?
Rocket ship.
Yeah, I thought so.
I missed this water.
Of course, now I don't hear it. Yeah, it's definitely the chain. It's the length of the chain rubbing on the inside of that cover. I'll take it off and grind it a little. show the end. You've been on here, right? Where it goes to that little block. Get any crabs? Yeah, nice. Happen like once or twice. It's definitely the chain where it hits the guard.
That one's way more comfortable.
Yeah.
Like not even close. This vibrates the shit out of you.
Different motor, right? Yeah, we see you. Yeah, this is a bit smoother than that one. You don't notice it as much until you switch. Yeah, clearing all that.
First to second is awful on this one.
Probably got to lower that for your foot. Well, that's your foot that don't have the movement either.
It's like a little tiny sliver at the top where it pops into second, you know what I mean? Yeah. And I don't have the strength.
My fan's kicked on.
That one's like way better.
Yeah. That sand is pretty bad, huh? Yeah. Not as comfortable as a Honda.
This one was close. It's wound out.
Yeah.
I mean, I was in sixth gear going like 35.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.